Alright, so for the fourth project on Tinkercad, reading the potentiometer, of course, you're going to hold the control key, and click on this to open this web page. As you can see, for this project, we're going to need an LED potentiometer, 330 ohm resistor, and 7 jumper wires. So the potentiometer that you see over here is going to look very different from that on Tinkercad. But let's scroll down to the project, what that's going to look like. And as you can see, we're going to need the items that we looked at. And we have a total of 5 items, including the breadboard. So here back on Tinkercad, we're going to go to Create Circuits. And we're going to need a Arduino board, breadboard, and resistor and potentiometer. As you can see, the potentiometer looks different. And this is a 330 ohm resistor. Alright, so now let's see how we're going to connect this. Oh yeah, we need an LED also. Alright, so for the potentiometer, we have this wire connected to analog pin number 0, and then we have, now it has 3 total terminals. The outside terminals, that is this one and then this one over here, the black and red. It doesn't matter, this could be black, this could be red. It just changes the way that, or the how you turn, or where you turn the knob to turn on or to turn off, basically. So let's connect the potentiometer. So we're going to have the potentiometer over here, and the middle one. Now, of course, you can make your cable look much more neater than mine, but alright. And I'm going to change this to blue. And we're going to make this GND. And let's change this to black. And then we're going to change this to the positive. We're going to make that red. Alright. Oh, whoops. No. Now, I put it here. Some students do make that mistake. As you can see, the pin is over here. And I actually put it in the wrong lane. So what I can do is click on the wire and then just click and drag it over here that way. And as you can see, it's still connected here, so that's fine. This one is okay. Okay, so now let's move on. The next, we have the positive and negative of the LED. The positive gets the resistor, and that goes to pin number 13. So let's rotate anode. All right, and I could actually bring it over here, right? And then I can bridge this like that. Again, I'm doing it different so you can see the different things that you could actually do. And here I can connect this to pin number 13. And let's change this to orange, or actually I'm gonna change it to red. All right, and let's see, the other one goes to the GND port. So I can just connect a straight wire to the GND. I'm later going to connect the GND wire to this lane, or I could just connect it from here to here, and just to change the same color so we're aware, and then from here to here. All right, I'm helping you to understand what you could possibly do. All right, so this is the cathode, meaning the negative, and this is the anode, which is the positive. We have our 330 ohm, as you can see, the symbol. Take note of that, and that's connected to pin number 13. So our LED is connected. Next, we just need to connect these two wires. That is the 5-volt GND to these lanes over here. All right, so that would be 5 volt. Actually, no, I pressed escape to remove the wire. So let's actually do GND because I already have the black wire selected, and I like to be consistent. Um, All right, and right here. All right, now it looks like it's connected to this wire, but it's not. It's actually connected to this lane. As you can see, this whole lane lights up. All right, the next is the 5 volt, and then that goes right here, and that's red. Again, it looks like it's connected to this wire, but no, it's connected to this over here. But it's the same thing because they're in the same lane, right? So they're actually connected. All right, so now code blocks text. Okay, continue, and we're going to go get the code. So copy code and control select all, delete, control V to paste, and start simulation. And then as you can see, it's blinking. There you go. So it's blinking. So the potentiometer basically gets it to blink either faster or slower. As you can see now, it's slower, and if I turn it this way, it's faster. Now if I had switched the black and red wire, so for example, if this wire was black and then this one was red, if I turned it this way, instead of it blinking slower, it would blink faster instead. So it just changes the polarity, you could say. All right, so that's it for this one.